What is up there, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today I was not planning on making a video, but you know, I kind of decided to make a video because today I am taking my Jade to a body shop to get my paint match done for my A-spec front and rear lip, and this is what it looks like right now. So yeah, anyways, this is what my trunks looks like. This is the front A-spec lip, and this is the rear A-spec lip, and the other one is the front bumper. So I'm gonna get all that painted and all that fitted, and they said my car should be ready by this Friday, so it should be ready by Springfest, I'll say. So yeah, and I don't know if I should really go to Springfest or not because of the coronavirus. It's just been going really crazy, so I don't know if I should go to a Springfest, but I think I'm just gonna send it and see if I'm gonna get one or not. So yeah, if I get one, well, it is what it is. So, and I heard that's not that even bad at all. So, and I'm still young, but I got weak immune system. So I don't know guys, should I send it? I think I should be fine. But you guys know what kills coronavirus? Corona beer. Not Modelo time, it's Corona time. Just got up the gym, got my protein shake, ready to head to the body shop. I am exhausted. I just made it to the shop that I'm dropping off to, and then I'm like, oh damn, that Mark III Supra though, you can't forget about that, you know what I'm saying? But anyways guys, check this 911 Carrera GTS, all with the wing up. That is so sick. Oh my goodness. It is automatic, but that's okay. This thing is still really fast. And this Mark III Supra is actually my coworker's Mark III Supra, and he just got his painted, and man, look at that. Look how clean that paint is. That is so clean. Yeah, you guys are probably trash talking about the Mustang wheels, but you know, that's just on there as a spare. So yeah, but other than that, the paint is gorgeous. So which one would you guys take? The 911 Carrera GTS or the Mark III Supra? I think I'll take the 911 Carrera GTS, you know, for the track day and stuff. But weekend cruise and, you know, canyon ride, I think I'll take the Mark III Supra. But yeah, either way, they're both beautiful cars, I'll say. But anyways, I'm gonna be dropping off my Jade off, and I'm gonna be hitting the keys in here. So let's go do that. I guess no one is here this morning, so I'm just gonna drop the key off here. That's what they told me to do. So yeah, like I said, the car's should be ready this Friday, right before Springfest. So it should be ready. If it's not, then you know, it is what it is. I'm not too worried about it. So yeah, but that 911 Carrera GTS is flexing hard. But Mark III Supra, you can't go wrong with that either. Front tires are 245/35 or ZR20, so that's a 20-inch rim in the front. Oh, okay, and the rear is 305/50 ZR20. Wow, that is a one thick boy. I definitely love the yellow touch to the seat belts. Oh yeah, that is so beautiful, so darn nice. And would I ever get a Porsche in my life? I don't know, we'll see.
Several days later.
Alright guys, so apparently my car is back now. I am so excited to see what it looks like right now. Oh my god, where is it? Oh my god, I'm so excited to see this right now. How did it look from distance far away?
Pretty fucking good.
Did it look good? Yeah? Ladies and gentlemen, my car is right in front of me right now, and I am just freaking out. It looks so goddamn good. Here it is, guys, my A-spec front and rear lip. Oh my god, check this out. Oh my goodness, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Dude, the bumper and everything is matching, the color and everything. Oh my god, this looks so good. So the guy told me that there's a little bit of gap space right here, but I'm really not too worried about it. I mean, he did a really good job because, you know, that's an aftermarket thing. So I'm not really worried about it at all. But oh my goodness, let's come check out the rear. Rear really got me. Rear really caught my attention. I mean, oh my god, look at that. Look at that A-spec rear lip on it. Holy cow, that looks so good. I got my both rear and the front bumper got painted, and checking out the rear bumper because it was fading away a little bit. So oh my goodness, that looks 10 times better, man. And if you guys are wondering where the body shop is located, they are Seattleautopro. So make sure to go hit them up. I'll leave their website and a link in the description below, and their phone number is right there. So if you guys do want, right there you go. So, but yeah, they did an amazing job. Shout out to them. They will do everything from painting, you know, pulling out frames to everything, you know, bodywork related wise. So, shout out to them. Thank you so much, guys. And oh my goodness, guys, my Jade is ready for tomorrow's show. Alex just told me that it kind of looks like a C7 Corvette from the front. I guess it kind of does in a way, but dude, that looks so good. And that'll do for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed my new A-Spec front and rear lip for my Jade. It turned out amazing. Man, it just looks so aggressive now. I love it. And the body shop, man, they're just A1. A1. They're the best. So I'll leave their website and a link in the description below and phone number as well. So go check them out if you guys, you know, car needs to get their, you know, body work done. So go check them out. They're definitely one of the best for sure. So yeah, but other than that, in a few hours here, it's going to be Springfest Seattle. So if you guys are attending Springfest Seattle, I'd love to see you guys there. No handshakes or anything because there's coronaviruses, you know, flying around all over the place. So no handshake or anything at all, but, you know, I'll just say hi. So, but yeah, other than that, you guys will see my Jade at the show. I will be parking my Jade at the VIP parking spot. So I will hope to see you guys there. Other than that, if you guys enjoyed today's video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button because there's more content coming for the channel. So other than that, if you subscribe to my channel, you already know what's coming. Peace out and stay thirsty, my friends.